Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, August 2nd. Got monsoon moisture arriving throughout the day today. We're already seeing some scattered showers out there this morning. There'll also increase in coverage throughout the day with locally heavy rain possible this afternoon with some stronger thunderstorms. We'll see that today and tomorrow with cooler temperatures through the weekend. And I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. Monsoon moisture has arrived. We saw some heavy rain yesterday, especially south of the Snake Plain, and that will continue today. So we're already seeing some scattered showers out there this morning. Those will increase in coverage again later part of today into tonight, with gusty winds and small hail possible with some of those stronger thunderstorms. Again, the main threat centering around that moderate to heavy rain. Our active weather pattern is going to support thunderstorms for at least the next 5 days. So if you're looking for some thunderstorms, we got plenty in store for you over the next 5 days. Cooler conditions will return, so we got plenty of cloud cover out there this morning. The close clouds will be able to help those temperatures knock down fairly reasonable. Seeing some below normal temperatures to start off August, so we were pretty warm yesterday. Low 90s. Today we'll be struggling to reach above the mid 70s here in Pocatello. Geocolor satellite for you this morning. So we got moisture that's going to be lifting out of the Great Basin today, so plenty of cloud cover out there for you. And we are starting to see some showers as well working up for this morning. Generally just some light rain showers, but certainly going to be becoming more moderate to heavy throughout the day. Water vapor satellite, you can see that moisture there working again clockwise around a four corners high. So this is going to be working out of the desert southwest up into southeast Idaho, and this will be kind of hanging out in our area for the next couple of days. Weather risk outlook for your next 5 days. Main concerns will center around showers and thunderstorms with localized heavy rains both today and tomorrow. Keeping an eye on that minor to moderate impacts potentially. But for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, little to no impacts as far as just seeing some general run-of-the-mill thunderstorms each and every day. But certainly going to be keeping an eye on that through the later part of the week as temperatures remain below normal. Here's a look at some of those observed rainfall totals over the last 12 hours. You can see especially down towards Oneida, Franklin, and southern Power County, upwards of an inch, inch and a quarter, upwards of an inch and 3/4 in some of the Deep Creek Mountains there west of the Arbon Valley. So there was some locally heavy rain, especially with some of those thunderstorms yesterday. Wind gusts were up to about 30 to 45 miles an hour. But again, the main concerns over the next couple of days will be just centering around that moderate to heavy rain, certainly an anomalous period as we enter some of our drier months as we get this monsoon moisture working in. Here's a look at the probability of thunder for today. So again, best chances for thunderstorms are going to be south and east of the Snake Plain. Again, we're looking at very high probabilities, in excess of 60 to 80% across portions of our area. But as you head further northwest, especially up into central and northern Idaho, those chances do decrease, but we're still seeing again about a 20 to 50% chance for much of the state outside of the Panhandle. Here's a look at the excessive rainfall outlook for the Weather Prediction Center. Again, we're looking at a marginal to slight risk. So we're looking at, potential for some flash flooding potential. It's going to be out there today. Again, we're seeing the heavy rains, generally going to be about a quarter to 3/4 of an inch across the board, especially south and east of the Snake Plain. But we could see some locally higher totals, about 1, 2, maybe some higher totals, pushing 2.5 inches by the end of the day tomorrow. So certainly going to see that adding on over the next couple of days with those rainfall impacts continuing. Here's a look at timing for you this morning. So this is a quick look at what's going on out there on radar this morning. So as you can see here, already starting to see some showers beginning to fill in out there towards Alpine, down towards Malta, Burley, starting to get a little rain here in Pocatello. And this radar reflectivity loop here is going to show you what this radar might look like later today. So at least this morning, it's got a good handle on where those showers are. Those are going to continue to lift north throughout the morning hours. So seeing some showers out there for your morning commute. Not seeing any thunderstorms at least just yet. Just mostly going to be some showers lifting north throughout the morning hours. Maybe a rumble of thunder too as we get into midday. But overall, just that line of rain is going to be lifting north through Idaho Falls up through Chalice, Sun Valley by the afternoon hours. We're going to start to see some clearing. So with this area, lots of cloud cover further north, lots of rain. But further south, starting to see some more stronger thunderstorms begin to fire off. That'll generally be between 1 to 4 o'clock. So you can see areas where there's going to be clearer skies. Start to see those chances for thunderstorms beginning to develop with, again, widespread rain continuing further north where that more cloud cover is inhibiting more of that convection. But taking you through the later part of today, again, keeping with those rain chances well into the overnight hours as well. We're keeping an eye on this band that'll be lifting out of Utah late tonight, so just after sunset through the overnight hours as well. Some strong thunderstorms potentially, again, working through about 11 o'clock tonight across portions of the Southeast Highlands, so south and east of Pocatello. And that'll be continuing to work northeast. Again, these will be very heavy rain-producing thunderstorms. We're looking at very high precipitable water amounts, so that's the amount of water that's able to contain in the atmosphere with this. So we're looking at, about 1 to 1.25 inches, which is anomalous for our area, especially given our high elevation. But that, again, those showers and thunderstorms will continue overnight through the evening hours into the overnight hours through Thursday morning. And again, we're seeing those chances for thunderstorms continuing as well into Thursday morning. The outlook for tomorrow from the Weather Prediction Center, again, just a marginal risk, so we lose that slight for tomorrow. But again, keeping an eye on that I-15 corridor east to Wyoming, generally going to be seeing a marginal risk down to Logan as well. And here's a look at the reflectivity for tomorrow. So again, this is the HER model. Again, we're going to see those showers and thunderstorms generally be in the eastern portions of the state, and those will increase in coverage throughout the day. We're going to see that counterclockwise rotation as that system works directly overhead. And with that, we are going to see, again, another active day, very scattered to widespread thunderstorms. And again, a lot of these will be producing some moderate to heavy rainfall at times. So certainly going to be keeping an eye out there for the potential of flash flooding, especially in areas that see slow-moving or trading thunderstorms. Here's a look at your temperatures for today. So cloud cover is keeping us nice and insulated at the surface. Overall, going to be slightly warmer over the next couple of days. So afternoon highs today, at least, pretty seasonable, at least for fall. But we're going to start to see those temperatures knocked down pretty substantially. Almost everybody should be in the 60s, 70s, a little bit warmer as you head further north up into Chalice and Salmon. Temperatures for your Thursday, starting to see a little bit those cooler morning temperatures. Afternoon highs, again, in the 70s and 80s, holding on to those 60s there in the Teton Valley. Temperatures for your Friday, again, starting off the morning on the cool side of things, 40s, 50s, with lows in the 30s across some of our mountain basins. But for the afternoon highs on Friday, should be starting to warm up just a couple of degrees. So afternoon highs back in the 70s and 80s. And for your Saturday, so starting off the weekend, again, starting off the morning in the 40s and 50s, with afternoon highs in the 70s and 80s. And for the sake of sounding like a broken record, Sunday morning does look like it's going to be the coldest. We'll see some good 30s, 40s, low 50s, so feeling pretty chilly out there for your Sunday, especially further north and east. But overall, it should be a beautiful day on Sunday with afternoon highs again in the 70s to mid-80s. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a great day.